We're out in the mountains today, not stuck in a small little room. The weather is changing here, so we thought it might be a good idea to ask Gabrielle some questions about weather. What is your favourite kind of weather?
My favourite weather is probably sunny weather, blue skies, hot, bright. But actually, that used to be my favourite weather. But now I really like this change in seasons as well. So today I think it's about 20 degrees. It's really lovely temperature for doing sport, for hiking. We still have some blue sky, but interesting clouds. So this is really, really lovely weather.
And do you like hot weather?
Yeah, I mean, I really like hot weather because I feel the cold a lot. So usually I can tolerate hot weather more than other people. I basically hate the cold.
It's true, Gabby hates cold.
But when it's really, really hot, it does make doing things more difficult, being active. You can be a bit more lethargic. So I would say, mid-20s is lovely weather.
Good. What is the weather like in your hometown?
Well, I'm from the north of England, and generally very mild summers, cold winters, sometimes snow, but not so often anymore these days. Probably quite a lot of rain and cloudy skies, which maybe is why I really like, looking for sunny countries.
That's why we live here.
Yeah.
Do you prefer wet or dry weather? I think I know what your answer might be.
Dry weather. Yeah, it's not very comfortable if you're outside, at least, to have all your stuff wet. But saying that, it's quite nice when you're lying in bed and you can hear the rain falling outside, then I don't mind that. And I like to think, oh, it's good for the flowers.
Good. Okay, you're doing well. Last question.
Okay.
What do you do in hot weather?
Sometimes not a lot, but if I do want to go out, then, well, we're very lucky. We live near a beach, so it's lovely to go to the beach and go swimming. We have done cycling in really hot weather before, but it does get quite sweaty and tiring.
Yeah.
Sunbathe, relax, drink cool drinks on a nice terrace in the shade.
That sounds nice. Or we take a nice walk outside.
Yeah.
I guess it's not too hot today, but it's warm enough to be wearing t-shirts.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. If you found any of this useful today, please do click the subscribe button. Thrilling. I'll see you in the next video where we talk about another topic. 3, 2, 1. Bye.